Okay, here's another video from Greg showing us how to mix another drink.
So tonight, I'm gonna make a really good one. Still a little easy, but need a blender for this one. We're gonna make I don't know what you call it, watermelon, mint from the garden, coconut rum from homemade, some vodka, and simple syrup. So maybe an ounce or so of vodka, ounce or so of coconut rum. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Maybe ounce or so of simple syrup. So using the NutriBullet, we're gonna make this happen. So you don't want to put a whole lot of liquid in it if you're wanting to have a blended frozen drink. So instead of ice, this is a cool idea. It's not original to me, but you cut up some watermelon into small pieces and freeze it, and then that becomes your ice. So yeah, it's great. So I got the mint in there. You just put how much ever you want in there for your taste. And I got the watermelon in there, just so you can see an idea how much to put in there. All this is, you just make it how you like it. That's the fun thing about making drinks. You can get as creative as you want. And there you have it. Mint, watermelon, fancy smancy drink.